In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at list comprehension. Now, list comprehension is a concept where we generate a list from another list. For instance, over here we have a list generated using the range method. Now, what we are doing next is we are creating another list called even, and for this list we are using the earlier list as a source. So we are saying x for x in the num list, and x will be shown here in this list when it is divisible by 2. So all the even numbers in this range will be part of this new list. We can also create a dictionary or tuple. For instance, here we are creating a dictionary using the same list. We're saying x as the key and then colon, and next we can see the value is x times 2 for x in num. So when we are generating or printing this list or dictionary, you can see that. So here you can see all the even numbers being printed: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and then the dictionary that we have created using the earlier list num. Here we have the key as 0 and value as 0, and then you'll see key will be starting from 0 till 19, and here the values will be multiplied by 2. So 1 into 2, 2, and then 2 into 2, 4, so on and so forth. And that is how easy it is to create list or tuples or dictionary using existing lists in Python.